Aloha mai nei kako o Tracie Keolalani Keia. If you would like more information about me, you can visit my website at traciekeolalani.com. There you can get my book, my autobiography about my life. You can get music, songs that I sing, songs that I've written, and you can also subscribe to my monthly newsletter. And there you can get the insider tips about what's coming up next month. This video is called Hawaiian Books that will help you to learn Hawaiian. Below this video, I have the links for you to purchase the books that I'm going to be talking about today. And if you click on the links and purchase the books that I'm talking about today, I get a small commission. All right, so let's get started. Make sure you go ahead and comment below. Let me know and let the other people watching know how you like the books. The first thing that you would need to learn Hawaiian is a Hawaiian dictionary. I listed the illustrated Hawaiian dictionary, and it's a thinner Hawaiian dictionary. It's a pocket one that you can use, carry around. It's very lightweight, very simple definitions. All right. Now, dictionary number 2, if you would like to get deeper into the Hawaiian language and you know that you're going to be needing more than just simple, easy definitions. This one is the Hawaiian Dictionary by Pukui and Albert, and this one is the one that I use. And this one is thick, very thick. As you can see, the dictionaries are expanded, so there's multiple definitions and meanings for each word that help you get more understanding and more insight on Hawaiian words. So this one is Kale Ha'aheo, and this is beginning Hawaiian. This is the book that I used for first and second year Hawaiian. The next book is called Learn Hawaiian at Home, and this one has pictures and illustrations. It's a little bit simpler than the Kale Ha'aheo. I've used it a couple times in my classroom. I use a multitude of different resources for learning Hawaiian and also for my students. Next book that I would recommend that you would need for learning Hawaiian is Place Names of Hawaii. And Place Names of Hawaii talks about the different places in the islands, tells you the correct spelling, tells you what it means. As you know, aina or land is very important to the Hawaiian culture, and also the references to these different places. All right. And the next thing would be Mamaka Kayao is a book that has newer Hawaiian words. So what that is like new words that are getting developed. For instance, back in the old days, didn't have words like computer, right? Because there was no computers back in the 1900s. When new words come about and are created, they put it in something like this called Mamaka Kayao. Okay? And one that I use all the time, which I believe is very, very important, Olelo no Eau. And this is the Hawaiian Proverbs and poetical sayings. And what this is these proverbs for life lessons, gives you good insight as to gaining wisdom and the Hawaiian mindset or the Hawaiian thought process. If you would like to know more about the Hawaiian thinking or the Hawaiian thought process, you can click on this link above. The last book for you that I would suggest would be Hawaii's Story by Hawaii's Queen. Now, this is a first-hand account of her life. Always good to get to learn about Hawaiian culture firsthand. I'll also put a couple other links to other websites below where you can get Hawaiian resources. And finally, your tip for today is an Olelo no Eau that says A'ohe pau ka'ike I ka halau ho'okahi. And what that means is all knowledge is not taught in the same school, meaning that one can learn from many different sources. So these different books will help you with your knowledge because it comes from many different sources. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Ahui ho.